Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Canva for brand kit setup for consistent UI, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Canva website by typing in www.canva.com. Once the home page loads, look for the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You'll be presented with several options for registration. You can choose to sign up using your Google account. Alternatively, you can opt to register with your Facebook account. If you prefer, you also have the option to create an account using your email address. If you choose the email option, fill in the required fields, including your email and a password. Once you've filled in your information, click the Get Started or Sign Up button. After you complete the registration, check your email for a verification link from Canva. Open your email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the Canva website and log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Canva dashboard. To access the Brand Kit feature, look for the Tools tab in the left-hand menu. Click on Brand Kit to begin setting up your brand elements. You may have the option to start a free trial if you don't have a pro account. If you're on a free plan, familiarize yourself with the features available. Begin by uploading your brand logo by clicking on the Upload button. Next, customize your brand colors by choosing the colors that represent your brand. Click the Color Palette area to select or input your brand's specific hex codes. Then, upload your brand fonts by clicking on the Font Upload section. Choose the fonts that align with your brand identity for a cohesive look. After you've uploaded your brand assets, ensure everything is saved. Review your brand kit to confirm that all elements reflect your brand guidelines. Once satisfied, you can start creating designs that are consistent. Utilize the brand kit elements in your projects for an integrated aesthetic. Explore additional features, such as resizing and collaboration tools as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.